Hello everyone. Welcome to another pronunciation, meaning and usage of a word lesson. So you can see a word on screen. I want to start with a quick question. How do you pronounce this word? What is the correct pronunciation? Is it indictment? Is it indictment? Is it indictment? Or is it indictment? You can pause the video and think of the correct answer. The correct pronunciation is indictment. So B was the correct answer. Let's break down the sounds. The first sound is in. Then we stress the second syllable by saying died, died. And the last one is meant. There's a sound here, schwa sound. If you want to understand these symbols, how do they sound, you can check out the IPA video in the description box of this lesson. So the correct pronunciation is indictment. Say it with me, indictment. It's a noun and it means a formal accusation that someone has committed a serious crime, usually issued by a court or grand jury. And the simple meaning is an official charge of a crime. It has different forms. Indictment is a noun. Example sentences: the indictment was filed yesterday. The verb form is indict. The court decided to indict him. Past verb form will be indicted. We said indicted. The D sound in the end is more like a T sound. Indicted. She was indicted for fraud. And present participle form is indicting. The jury is indicting several suspects. Here are the usage examples in different contexts. First is legal context, which is more common. The company faced an indictment for tax evasion. The indictment includes multiple charges. In advanced use of this word, sometimes it is used more generally to mean strong criticism of something and not necessarily used in legal context. For example, the report is an indictment of the education system. So here, the person is criticizing the education system and it's a strong criticism. Please write in comment one word you find difficult to pronounce in professional meetings or in everyday use. Take care and see you in next lesson. Bye.